mas ganahan na lang ko gumakaminyo construction worker kaysa mga kuan diya, mga tambay. Ay, ayaw pag inanak, ha? Don't you ever life in again and together more. So what's everything to me in my life in a servant? You can me and proud myself in the battery in the humor made and because my life in the weather more.
Yes, 30 once more. Go.
Ayaw i-look down.
Yeah.
Kay kanang traction worker makatabang ka na sa gyoan.
Yes,
Shout
30.
out day ko ni Kikay ha. Kikay na vlogs. Oh. Nakamino sa traction worker. Ayaw pag inana day kay dili do sa yun ang pagtarbaw ana day kana day na tarbaw akong kuya ug akong manghud. Ngano mo inana man ka Ikay na imo disappoint ang construction worker Kikay. Ayaw pag inana. Don't you ever life again and together more. Ha? Ayaw pa pangdaot sa construction worker. Oo ko maunang makatabang sa ato kung maghimo sila balay dili sa yun maghimo.
Yes.
Ha? Ayaw pag inanay, ayaw pag lockdown ang traction worker.
Yeah.
Ayaw pag inana Kikay ha.
Yeah, exactly.
Ayaw pag inana traction worker akong uyab sa una. Nagbulag lang mi kay wala mi nagkasinabot. Ayaw pag inana, ayaw pag i-lockdown ang traction worker. Kay kana dud siya mas ganahan na lang ko gumakaminyo kung traction worker. Kaysa mga kuan diya, mga tambay. Ayaw pag inana, ha? Don't you ever life in again and together more. So what's everything to me in my life in a servant? You can me and proud myself in the battery in the humor made and because my life in the weather more.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ayaw i-look down. Kay kanang traction worker makatabang ka na sa gyoan. Dili na ko ikaulaw oy. Unsa man nga
Be proud of it, ate.
don't you dare in life and acting into forever.
Yeah.
You can married me. You won't know that's mine because my life and just anything to me. Mas ganahan na lang kung construction worker. Tingnan no? Makatabang oy mao pa na magkuan sa balay. Dili sa yon. You brought me in together. You want and everything to me? No. And like the things in anywhere. Huh? Kikay, shout out sa imo Kikay vlog. Ayaw pang lockdown alang construction worker, ha? Kay bisag maot mig naong gadawat mig traction worker.
Yeah.